Hello there, I'm Mr. O'Baker. Let's go through this first biology question. So, we're asked to calculate the percentage of open stomata for 0.2 concentration of salt solution. So, let's take the number of open stomata, that's 6, divided by the total number of stomata, that's 7, and multiply by 100. Now, on our calculator, we get 85.7, but notice all the percentages calculated for you are to the nearest whole number, so must our answer. So the answer would be 86. I've rounded it up. Okay, on to the next part of the question. We're asked to give a conclusion from the table. So, we can see in the first column the numbers are increasing. But look in the last column. Looks like they're decreasing. That means, as the salt increases, the percentage of open stomata decreases. We need to look at the results in the table to answer this question. So, half the stomata would be 50%. At 0.3, it's 67%. But at 0.4, it's gone down to 40%. So the answer must be somewhere between those two concentrations. So if we try the concentration between 0.3 and 0.4, that might be 50% open. Okie dokie then. Calculation time. I hope you brought your calculator to the exam with you, because you're going to need it. Right, couple of steps to this one. First of all, got to calculate the area of the circular field of view. So the formula for that is pi r squared. Now, we need to know the radius. Now the radius is half the diameter. Now the diameter here is 0.375, so we multiply that by a half, or divide by 2. Either way, it gives us 0.1875. So, substitute that into our equation for the area of a circle, gives us pi times 0.1875 squared, which is about 0.11. Now finally, there are 4 open stomata in this area. So if we want to know it per millimetre squared, we need to do 4 divided by the area we've worked out, which comes out about 36. Okay then, nearly there. 4 marks up for grabs for this question, so hold tight. Now, if the potassium ions move into the cell, then the concentration of potassium ions will be more concentrated. That'll make the concentration of water molecules less concentrated. So, because of that, water will move into the guard cells by a process called osmosis. That's when water goes from a high concentration to a low concentration. This will make the cells swell up, but because of their shape, they'll do it unevenly, which causes the stomata to open. The thick part of the cell wall is much less flexible, so that means it bends inwards and causes the opening.